Hi, today one more question is sent by our student. That question is, at a point and level road, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. So please keep in your mind, tangent is 5 by 12. On walking 192 meter towards the tower, the tangent of elevation is 3 by 4. Then find the height of the tower. So this question we are going to solve. This is a question from the heights and distances from the trigonometry. So according to the question, first I am going to make the one rough diagram easy to understand. Then we are going to solve it. Once observe that it is a level ground. Then I am going to make this is the level ground, sir. Means earth. And another thing, what is the given that, sir, one point is there on the ground. Suppose I am going to take this is the one point on the ground. That point I have taken A. Elevation of vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. Means elevation, one person is seeing from here, otherwise from this point. One tower is there here, somewhere I am going to make, this is the tower, I am giving the name PQ. Always tower means it is standing on the earth, it makes 90 degrees, it is confirmed. Then PQ is what, sir? Tower. I hope what I am writing you are getting it. And next, from here, this is the tangent, this angle tangent, how much you got? Sir, this tangent I got value. Then tan theta equals to 5 by 12 is given here. Tangent from the point A is how much? 5 by 12. Then I have written here tan theta equal to 5 by 12. Next, what he has done? This point such that this point is on walking how many meters? 192 meter towards the tower. Then from the A, imagine that person, otherwise we are talking like this, sorry, walking like this up to here. This is 192 meter. This is the location B. From here, when you are going to see the top, again it is going to make some angle tangent. This is I am going to give, suppose here I have given the theta, then I am giving here pi. Then he has given that tan pi equal to how much, sir? He is given 3 by 4. Then what is the question asked to us? Question asked to us height of the tower. Then PQ equals to question mark. Sir, how we are going to solve this question, sir? Means if you observe clearly, tan theta, tan pi is given. Then I am going to apply the same things. So we know that tan theta equals to, in a right angle triangle, tan theta equal to opposite side or height by base. Sir, in this first triangle I am going to take. In triangle APQ, tan theta equal to, what is opposite side? PQ, sir. Base what, sir? AP, sir. PQ is I don't know, we want to find. Then AP also I don't know. Then what I am doing here, if I take up to PB is, this is the value is X, then automatically total is going to become how much? This is X, this is 192. Then X plus 192. Then I am writing here APQ by X plus 192. But already tan theta is given how much? Sir, 5 by 12 equal to PQ by X plus 192. Then do cross multiplication. 5x plus 5 into 192 equals to 12 into PQ. Then keep this is equation 1. because we are having another one option also is the tan pi. Then if I am going to apply for the tan pi, what you are going to get? Sir, tan pi equals to again opposite side by base. What is opposite side? Then I am doing here tan pi equal to, from which triangle, that is BPQ triangle. Then BPQ triangle, what can I write? PQ divided by BP. PQ divided by BP is how much? X. But already tan pi value is given, sir. I am writing this one. Tan pi equal to how much? 3 by 4. Then 3 by 4 equals to PQ divided by X. Clear? Then I am writing here 4 into PQ equal to 3 into X. I hope you are able to see. 4 PQ equal to 3 into X. Now one more equation already you got. 5x plus 5 into 192 equals to 12 PQ, sir. Now in this equation, what I am going to do, if you are going to observe 1 divided by 2 also you can do, no problem. From there you are going to get the x value. Then from I am going to substitute in this one, I am going to get the PQ value. Then now once observe here, this is I am going to take equation 2. Now here, if you don't mind, this triangle is now not required for us. Then I am going to now erasing this thing. Just a simplification is there remaining. Then what is that? Sir, 5x plus 5 into 192, 5 2s are 10s are 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. 960 equals to 12 PQ divided by second equation I am doing. Why I am doing divided by means, if I am going to divide it by this side 4 PQ and this side is there what? 3x. Then PQ automatically going to be cancelled. Otherwise you can substitute PQ equal to 3x by 4 also, no problem. That is also we can do. If you get the confusion, that only I will do very better for you. Sir, already from this equation PQ equal to 3x by 4, sir. Then 5x plus 960 equal to 12 into, in place of the PQ I am writing 3x by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Clear? Then 3 3s are 9x. Here it is, what is there? 5x plus 960. This 5x I am taking this side. 9x minus 5x. 4x equal to 960. Then x equal to 960. 4 bringing this side. Here it is doing the multiplication. If I bring this, it is going to do division. Then I am going to do divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 4s are 0s. Then answer I got x equal to how much I got? 240. But we don't want x. What we want? Sir, question mark, see there the question. PQ, height of the tower we need. Then I am going to substitute in this formula. Sir, 3 by 4 equal to PQ by x. It implies 3 by 4 equal to PQ by 240. Then 4 PQ equals to 3 into 240. It implies that, I hope you are able to see here, then PQ equal to 3 into 240 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 6 zeros are. Then answer is 180 meter. So this is answer for this question. I hope you understood. Then same like this, whatever you are going to get doubts in mathematics and physics and chemistry and bio, please share with us in comment box. We are going to give the solution for your question. Thank you.